Want your Christmas tree to look like it came straight out of a magazine this year? Searching for Christmas tree decorating ideas that are elegant, creative, and easy to do? Wondering how to pick the perfect theme, choose your ribbons, or top your tree in style? Or maybe you just want some fresh Christmas tree ideas for 2025 to make your home sparkle. Then you're in the right place, because today we're diving into 199 plus Christmas tree decorating ideas you can recreate for any style, color palette, or budget. From DIY ornaments to modern themes, these ideas will help your holiday tree shine brighter than ever. Welcome to Decor Design Ideas, your go-to channel for festive decor and creative inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring Christmas tree decorating ideas that will fill your home with warmth and holiday cheer. From classic red and gold themes to modern minimalist designs, cozy rustic styles, and sparkling DIY ornaments, we've got something for every taste and budget. So grab your lights, ribbons, and ornaments, and let's make your Christmas tree the star of the season. What are the most popular Christmas tree decorating ideas for 2025? This year, it's all about mixing tradition with texture. Think metallic ornaments, velvet ribbons, and natural elements like pine cones or dried oranges. These Christmas tree decorating ideas blend cozy nostalgia with luxury, creating a balanced and beautiful holiday look. How do I choose the right color theme for my Christmas tree? Pick a palette that complements your home decor. Classic red and gold never fail, but silver with white gives a frosty modern vibe. If you want something trendy, try navy and gold, or emerald green with champagne accents. Elegant and timeless. If you're loving these color combos, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your holiday-loving friends. What are some elegant Christmas tree ideas for small spaces? For smaller rooms, go for slim or tabletop trees with lighter decorations. Metallic ornaments, twinkling fairy lights, and narrow ribbons keep things balanced. Using a reflective base like a mirrored stand can make your decorated Christmas trees feel larger and more luxurious. What are trending Christmas tree themes this year? 2025 is full of personality. Some trending Christmas tree themes include rustic farmhouse, winter wonderland, candy cane stripe, minimalist Scandinavian, and vintage glam. Choose one that reflects your mood: cozy, classy, or creative. What's your dream Christmas tree theme this year? Cozy farmhouse or glam gold? Tell me in the comments below. How can I decorate a white Christmas tree? White trees make a beautiful blank canvas. Use silver, blush pink, or champagne ornaments for a soft, elegant look. Or add bold contrast with navy and emerald ornaments. These white Christmas tree decorations look stunning under warm fairy lights. What are some beautiful blue Christmas tree decoration ideas? For a chic twist, try blue Christmas tree decorations. Icy blue ornaments with silver ribbon or navy with gold details. Add clear glass baubles for sparkle, and top it with a star or bow for a sophisticated touch. Blue trees are perfect for 2025's luxury winter trend. For more tree color inspiration, check out the Christmas playlist in the description. It's full of themed decor ideas you'll love. What are easy DIY Christmas decorations for your tree? DIY is the heart of the holidays. Use clear baubles filled with fake snow, glitter, or handwritten notes. Try dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or small bows for natural charm. These DIY Christmas decorations make your tree meaningful and unique. How can I decorate my Christmas tree on a budget? You don't need to spend a fortune. Reuse old ornaments, add ribbon bows, and use paper snowflakes or homemade crafts. Combine pine cones, branches, and fairy lights for a warm and festive DIY touch that feels designer-worthy. Love affordable decor? Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly Christmas decorating ideas and DIY inspiration. What are the best Christmas tree ribbon ideas? Ribbon can transform your entire tree. Try cascading it vertically for a dramatic look, or weave it through branches for a layered effect. Metallic, plaid, or velvet ribbons add depth. These Christmas tree ribbon ideas give your decor a professional finish. How do I choose the perfect tree topper? The topper is your tree's crown. Go classic with stars and angels, or modern with floral sprays and oversized bows. You can even create DIY toppers using ribbon loops or ornaments that reflect your Christmas tree theme perfectly. For more tree decor inspiration, including wreaths, centerpieces, and garlands, check the description for more Christmas decorating videos. How can I make my tree look fuller and more expensive? Layering is the secret. Use garlands, oversized ornaments, and lots of ribbon. Add small filler items like berries or snowflakes to cover gaps. When done right, your decorated Christmas tree will look lush and magazine-ready. What's a unique, modern twist on traditional Christmas trees? Go minimal with neutral tones, wooden ornaments, and white lights for a Scandinavian vibe. Or add black and gold decor for a bold, elegant feel. These modern Christmas tree ideas blend simplicity with sophistication, perfect for 2025 homes. How can I use green ornaments creatively? Green Christmas ornaments look amazing when layered in shades: emerald, sage, and moss. Pair them with gold or white ribbons for a luxurious natural look. They add depth and keep your design festive but balanced. How do I decorate my tree using a color story? Start with one dominant color, like gold, one accent color, like white, and one texture, like wood or glass. This three-step rule keeps your tree decorating ideas cohesive and visually stunning without feeling overdone. Want to see real examples of these color themes? Check out our full video playlist for color-specific tree decorating guides. How do I make my Christmas tree stand out this year? Go bold with personal touches. Add photos, monogram ornaments, or tiny gifts wrapped under the branches. Pair matching stockings and garlands to tie the look together. Remember, the best Christmas tree ideas reflect your family's story and style. Decorating your Christmas tree is more than just adding ornaments. It's creating a feeling of warmth, joy, and celebration. From DIY Christmas decorations to modern ribbon and topper ideas, there's no wrong way to deck the halls. Whether you go traditional red and gold or try a trendy blue and silver theme, your tree should make you smile every time you plug in those twinkling lights. So this year, create a tree that feels like home. Beautiful, meaningful, and full of festive magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Christmas decor and DIY inspiration every week. Merry Christmas and happy decorating. If you're loving these color combos, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your holiday-loving friends. What's your dream Christmas tree theme this year? Cozy farmhouse or glam gold? Tell me in the comments below. For more Christmas tree color inspiration, check the playlist in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly Christmas decorating ideas and DIY inspiration. See the description for more tree decor and Christmas DIY ideas.